he's standing there holding this thing around his hand, and he kind of throws it down. He throws it behind Steve. He decided not to. He wants to win this match, but not ruin a friendship. Since they shake hands. I believe they finally caught a hold of themselves and realized what they was doing. Oh, and Donnie delivers a headbutt to Steve, and it knocks Donnie down. Don goes down from it. Destruction Don actually reeled back from a headbutt. Steve's still staggering around. He's over by the corner. Donnie comes up, grabs him by the shirt, throws him into the ropes. Steve's coming back. Oh, and a knee up into the stomach.
Oh!
And he's busting him up now, folks. Don falls back against the ropes. Steve's ready to attack. He grabs Don by the arm. He goes to throw him across the room. It's reversed. Steve goes into the ring, into the ropes. Oh, and a vicious clothesline. Steve, don't go down. Steve sparked with the one of this belt. He's never had it before in his life. He's had the bunkhouse once. He lost it to Jackknife Jim. And Donnie throws Steve into the ropes. Oh! Looked like a knife edge to the throat. This is getting vicious. Oh, and they're trading blows, trading punches. Oh, and Steve seems to come out on top. He's pounding Donnie in the back of the head. As he throws Destruction Don into the ropes. Oh! And a clothesline. I think Steve got him, but he kind of went so hard he fell himself. Steve! Oh, God, he's tearing. Oh, God! Looked like a punch to the face. I couldn't quite get back over there in time with the camera. As Don delivers a downward blow to the back of Steve's neck. Oh, and he dropped the elbow on Steve's chest. 1, 2. Oh, and Steve gets the shoulder up. The ref only got a 2 count. It was about a 2 3/4. Oh, and Steve's beating on Don. Oh, wow. Kicks Don in the knee. Now Steve's working on the leg of Destruction Don. Oh, and he's kind of grounding it up. Looks like he's doing more damage to the waist. Oh, and Don's saying, no, don't do it, don't do it. He drops an elbow on it. Oh, he's just kind of sitting there elbowing it. I think he's too tired to get up. As he kind of rolls over, he rolls Don over and pins him. 1, 2. Oh, and Don somehow managed to get up at about 2.99. 1, 2. Don gets up again. Steve's delivering punches to the knees. 1, 2, 3. The match is over. And Steve Davis now gets a shot at the title of Jackknife Jim. Can he beat Jackknife Jim? He is almost, I don't think he's ever beat Jackknife Jim, maybe once. Steve only has 1 win in his entire career, but he puts up one heck of a fight. And Steve looks like he's helping up Don. Oh, and Don's up, he's hurt. Both knees are badly. Oh, and Steve calls out Destruction Don. I think Steve took a nap in this match. And he's kicking and stomping all over Destruction Don. He goes outside and gets a 2x4. Oh my God, and he sits down right in the knee. Oh, and again. And again. Oh, and he lays it on there and stomps on it. He knows Destruction Don was under the mat. To the knee, or a board to the knee. Oh, and he hits him in the back with the board. He's brutally beating Destruction Don. He spits on him. Steve Davis, can we come here? Can we get a comment out of you? Was that Don under the mask?
Get out of my face!
Get out of your face! No, you get out of my face. There's Destruction Don laying in the ring. He's about halfway up. Don, what do you think of this? He's got the board. He's helping himself up, using it as a cane. We must see if we can get some comments. And there comes Steve again. Oh, and Donnie gets hit in the stomach with the board. And he hits him over the back with it. This match ain't over yet, folks. Oh, God, and Don clothesline Steve with the board. Destruction Don, I'm going to ask you one more time. Oh, God, here comes Steve. Oh, and Donnie punches him. He threw a fireball at him. Steve's blinded. As he pulls out, looks like another one. And he throws it in Steve's face. Steve's burnt up. He's in bad shape as he runs over and Steve misses. Oh, he turns around and decks Donnie in the jaw. Oh, and they're trading punches, folks. Oh my God, this is a crazy turn of events. Steve delivers the final second punch, and Don's saying, come on back. No, wait a minute. Come on, come on. That's what he's saying. Steve's wiping the sweat from his brow. They're standing out there, and he's motioning something. He's scratching his head, or is he saying that he was the one under the mask? I think it was Destruction Don. This match resembled the way the man under the mask wrestled. Steve delivers a punch, and Donnie cracks him in the back of the head twice. He throws him, and Steve goes back to the dressing room. Excuse me, Destruction Don, can we get a comment from you? What's the deal here?
I don't know.
Was it you under the mask, or wasn't it?
Come back in the dressing room. I got an announcement to make it in her.
Okay, we'll be down later, right after Jackknife Jim and Steve Davis match, if he can even show for it. Okay,